Hello students, good morning to you. And today is my 11th online video classes. And today I will tell you about the next physical features of India, that is the coastal plains. These coastal plains are on the both sides of the narrow strips below 22 degree north latitude. These coastal plains is divided into two parts, that is Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. This Western Ghat is along the west side of the narrow strips beside the Arabian Sea, and the Eastern Ghat is along the east side beside the Bay of Bengal. Western Ghat, it is categorized into three sections, that is Konkan coast, Kannada plain and Malabar coast. And the Eastern Ghat, that is divided into two sections, that is Northern Sarkar and Coromandel coast. Now first of all, I told you about the Western Ghat. See in the map, this side along the Arabian Sea, इसको अरब सागर कहते हैं. This Western Ghat is divided into three sections. First one from Mumbai to Goa, that is known as Konkan coast. Then Goa to Karnataka. See, from Goa to Karnataka, this is called Konkan plain. Kannada plain. It is called Kannada plain. First one is Konkan coast. It is from Mumbai to Goa. It is Mumbai to Goa. Okay, this is Mumbai to Goa. This is called Konkan coast. And from Goa to Karnataka, these coastal plains, only from Goa to Karnataka, that is known as Kannada plain. I already told you it is divided into three sections. First one is Konkan coast, Kannada plain and Malabar coast. See, from Goa to Karnataka it is called Kannada plain, and from Karnataka to Kerala it is known as Malabar coast. Okay, it means Western Ghat is divided into three sections. First one is Konkan coast, Kannada plain and Malabar coast. It is clear? It is beside the Arabian Sea. Now next one is Eastern Ghat. I told you it is categorized into two sections, that is Northern Sarkar and Coromandel coast. This Northern Sarkar, see, this one is the Eastern Ghat, that is from Odisha to Tamil Nadu. This region is called Eastern Ghat along the Bay of Bengal. Northern Sarkar, it is from Odisha to Andhra Pradesh. From Odisha to Andhra Pradesh, it is the region of Northern Sarkar. And from Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu, from Andhra Pradesh to Tamil Nadu, this region is known as Coromandel coast. Okay, this is the Coromandel coast. Now say, in these regions, in the Bay of Bengal regions, that is the Eastern Ghat, there are so many large peninsular river drain into the Bay of Bengal. That is the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri. And they have formed extensive delta on this coast. Okay. Now one thing is also there, that Lake Chilka Lake, that is situated in the Odisha. Okay, in the Odisha, it is the largest saltwater lake of India, and it is situated at the coast of Odisha. Here, see here, these regions in Odisha, this place, that is the Chilka Lake. It is largest saltwater lake of India. Now all of understand. Once I repeat again that about the coastal plains. The coastal plains, it is divided into two parts, that is Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Western Ghat is along the Arabian Sea and the Eastern Ghat is along the Bay of Bengal. Western Ghat is divided into three sections, that is Konkan coast, Kannada plain and Malabar coast. Eastern Ghat, it is categorized into two sections, that is Northern Sarkar and Coromandel coast. And there are so many rivers, large rivers that drain into the Bay of Bengal. I told you that the Krishna, Kaveri, Godavari, Mahanadi, etc. they form extensive deltas on this coast. Now students, this is enough for today, and tomorrow I will told you about the next physical features, that is the islands. Okay, you know there is two groups of island in our country, that is in the Arabian Sea there is a Lakshadweep and the Bay of Bengal there is a Andaman and Nicobar Island. I will told you tomorrow about this. Okay, thank you.